Hey Scott, this is Clint Lashley from Digital Infusion, Digital Marketing Solutions, and today I'm going to talk to you about three things that you can do to have you outranking your competition and driving some business to your door. And those three things are content, citations, and backlinks. And the reason I shoot this video is because this is my way of giving back to small business owners and showing them some things that they can actually do themselves and and boost up their online presence and grow their business through their website. So if you like what you see at the end of the video and you want to take this attack plan and run with it yourself, that's plenty cool. Or if you want to reach out to me and see that I got a few tricks in my sleeve, uh, I'm more than happy to talk to you. So I got your website pulled up here, and I see right away I got your phone number. I like your logo, your menu here, type of fences, contact form. So you got a pretty good build out here. And then that's it. Okay, so I don't see a whole lot of content. Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the home page. The home page being the most important because it's the one that gets crawled the most by Google, and you want Google to stay on your site longer and look for those keywords. So your we call it buyer intent keywords like fence repair, Buffalo Grove, Illinois. So you put that in the search engine. You want that built into your content on your home page. That's a buyer intent type keyword. And that way you want your whole site built out with content with keywords in it. So especially that home page. And then you put that in and boom, I see you right there at the top of the map section. A lot of times you'll see some ads up here and then that map section. And then down here, I see you boom up in the top of the organic section as well. So you're doing something right. So I wanted to see how you were doing. I pulled you up in Ahrefs. This is a tool that tells me what's going on for a website, how it's performing per Google. And you don't have a number here. These are Google's power and trust flow numbers. This goes from 1 to 100. Usually you want to be somewhere between a 30 and a 40. And utilizing these tricks, you can um, boost these numbers up. You're getting three backlinks from two referring domains. So and down here it shows that you kind of been around since for a couple years and it's been running idle. So you've been running idle, but you've been around and consistent, so Google finds you and play and ranks you for that because you've been consistent with running your site. But so you got that vehicle like on idle. You got to put the juice to it, put some links on it, and get some referring domains. So and then you can move a town over, and you will see once you get that juice on it, then you can start ranking for like fence repair, Barrington, Illinois. That would be another one that you would want to build into your content. So you can see this map section. You see here in the organic section, looks like there's a couple directories, and then this would be considered the top competitor for that area. Arson. This is their front page. Kind of see how it's built out. Doesn't look like they have the 1,500 to 2,000 words of content that Google likes to see, so it'd be easy to beat them there. And then here they are in the Ahrefs tool. They got a 24 UR rating and a 4.1 DR, so they're getting to be a pretty powerful site, so they're doing something right over here. They're getting 216 backlinks from 81 referring domains and being found for 166 organic keywords and are generating 57 organic traffic to their site a month for having that spot. So backlinking, backlinking is like Google's big popularity contest. Other websites pointing back to you, deeming you the authority in Google's eyes, and Google ranks you up higher in that organic section. But not all backlinks are created equal. You want relative backlinks. You want relative to your industry backlinks linking back to you, those types of websites linking back to you because something from like Pizza Hut's not going to help you, or broken or spammy links aren't going to help you. You got to check them out, get some, and then you can use the same links that your competitors using here because if they're powerful enough to rank them, they're going to be powerful enough to rank you. And then you can go ahead and Click on the keywords to find out what keywords they're being found for. You can pluck them off and build them into your content. Fence Company Schaumburg, 60 search volume. That's monthly search volume. Fence companies in Lake County, 40 search volume. Desplaines Fence Company, 150 search volume. Schaumburg Fence, 50 search volume. Though Fence Companies Illinois, 40. Evanston Fence Company, 60. Lake County Fence Companies, 30. That all adds up to monthly search volume you really want to be involved in. So you pluck all them keywords off and build them into your content. And then you'll start seeing yourself climb in in these areas, the organic, along with the linking with the content that um, climbs you up in this organic search. Then this is your Google Business Profiles area, the map section. So anywhere you get your name, address, and phone number listed in a directory like Yelp, um, Angie's List, other social media, any place you can list your profile's name, address, and phone number, it's called a citation. You go and get as many citations as you can. Google finds them all, points back to you, and puts you up higher in this map section. So, in review, 1,500, 2,000 words of content, keywords built into the content, like fence repair, Barrington, Illinois, and then citations for ranking you up high in the map section. And then more business will come to your door. So like I said, you can take this attack plan and run with it yourself, which I'm totally cool with, or you can contact me back and we can have a discussion and meet up and see if we can't build something out and work together. This is my website. You can reach me here. You can email me back. You can call me 262-947-4860. Again, my name is Clint Lashley and my number is 262-947-4860. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I'm looking forward to your feedback. Have a nice day.